Hi everyone, my name is Dhananjay Kumar. Welcome to my live page. Today we are going to discuss on wealth management. But before that, let me introduce myself. On education side, I have a bachelor's degree in computer application. Besides that, I have also done wealth management certification from CIEL. I do have about 15 years of work experience into financial planning and wealth management. During the course of my job, I have worked with organizations like Deutsche Bank, Ameriprise Financial, Aditya Birla Group, and Almonds Global Securities. Wealth management is a process wherein advisor tries to help out in getting financial freedom to his or her respective investors. While doing so, it's basically a comprehensive approach wherein one tries to understand the investment objective and financial goals of investor and then creates a roadmap so that those goals and objectives are met. Apart from this, one should also have a good understanding of economics because whatever recommendation one would be offering to investors, the solution would depend on lot many things. The ever changing economical scenario at domestic front and on global front would play a crucial role when you decide a particular asset class wherein investor would be putting in their money. So one should be good at sales and marketing because eventually you would be proposing your solutions to your clients. So one should be good at not only identifying the right solutions, but should be good at presenting it well also to existing investors or prospective clients. The other skill which is required is good communication skills because you would be representing the things which the other positive of this business is good work life balance. Apart from enjoying meeting new people as a job, one could do well if they work for traditional hours like 9 to 6 is good enough for being into this business. So of course one would have time for the families to spend quality time with their near and dear ones. The other challenge of being into wealth management is ever changing dynamics of asset classes. Like since you would be creating a bouquet of various asset classes which you would be representing to your clients to meet their financial objectives, that would include equity, mutual funds, life insurance, commodity, real estate, and all these asset classes would depend heavily on the ever changing dynamics of economics. Like at a time, say if equity is doing good, probably gold would not be doing great. I was working for somebody, of course there would be a predefined discipline that one is supposed to come to office at time and then one is supposed to work for a certain time period and then leaves. But when you are into your own business, self discipline is very much required. And since we are into a business which is also very dynamic, so one always needs to be on his toe when it comes to serving their clients. So my day starts early. I wake up at about 6:30 in the morning, and to keep me fit throughout the day, I go for a morning walk, and I ensure that by 9 I reach to office. First 2 hours I would say would go in news reading or taking a stock of the things which have happened around, preparing for the meetings which are lined up, and then I often do 2 to 3 meetings in a day. That would include meeting my existing clients and also meeting prospective clients. And then by 6, we wind up. I leave the office. Then I go back home. I enjoy my quality time with my family. I prefer to have dinner by 9:30 and by 10 I try to go to bed. So that's normally how I spend my day. I hope I was able to give you a balanced overview over wealth management, and this video is going to help you in taking an informed decision while considering wealth management as a career. Thank you.